Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create an e-commerce website on Odoo. This is very simple and easy tutorial. So after seeing this tutorial you can create your own e-commerce website on Odoo. First of all, you have to search odoo.com on your preferred browser. Click on the first link. From there you can, after click on this, log into your account and start it. Click on the start now, it is free. From here it will take you to the choosing option. From here you can just click on e-commerce as well as live chat. Just I will, for this time I just click on live chat and e-commerce. You can also create you can also add inventory option, purchase, accounting and timesheet, quality, maintenance, whatever you want. Whatever the need of your website you can add up here, or you can add after the creating website as well. So don't worry, you don't need to choose everything from here. So it's very simple. So after choosing those two things, I'm just clicking, I will just click the continue button, and now here you have to enter your email address. Here you have to enter your uh, website name. Like for example, first name and last name you have to enter here. First name is Rocket, last name is Rocket. I just want to give you a tutorial, that's why I'm using that one. And for example, tech serve, so on and so forth. Tech serve e-commerce, tech serve shopping, tech serve shopping. Here you can enter your mobile number and just click on start. Now after clicking on start, welcome to Odoo, it says, and they have created a basic uh, database for your website. Now from here you can customize your website. So let's do, ready to build the perfect website. We'll set up and running in 4 steps. In this page you can skip this thing and start from scratch as well if you want to customize more, but I will go with this pre-build. So let's do it. What I want from this website is to a business website. I want a business website for my clothes and marketing, clothes and clothes market, clothes market business, with the main objective is to sell more. And now here you have to choose your coloring. Like here you can see uh, as well. You can add a pages from here. For example, you can add about page, services, pricing, privacy policies. uh, don't need to add such bullshit like success stories, news, career, and everything. I have selected this. Now just click on build my website. It will take little time. No, you have to choose your theme right now. You can view more as well. If you don't like these three options, just scroll down. I will choose this one because this has this vector theme. I will just click. Now here you can see the Odoo is applying the color design which we selected earlier, and here you can see is searching your our images, adapting building blocks, generating inspiring text. You don't need to add or think about what we should add in the text or in all of those things. And the plus point is this, it optimize everything from scratch, so you don't need to worry about SEO and all of those things. You can create optimized SEO page from here as well. So this is the first look of our website. This is our shop. You can add everything whatever you want. You can see the service pages, you can see the pricings. This pricing page should not be here. So just I added and about us, discover the perfect workwear solution tailored for you. So this is what they have created. So yeah, and if you want to edit this website, just go to edit option in the top right corner. Here you can see the edit option is came. So for example, if you want to add more columns, here you can add more columns. From here you can just add images or social or quantum form, or you can whatever you want to add. For in my case, I will just add some columns. I think I'll just add columns, or you can add whatever you want. You can just come here and you can see, you can play with these things. For this I can add images to my website. I have to select images. This is how you can, and this is how you can change a text as well. So you don't need to go select text and go to the customize option and change this text. You can just simply change the text directly from your page as well. You can select this image. You can, if you want to change this image, you can just click on replace. If you have any document, icon or video, you can just do that. In my case, don't have any image. I can upload as well as from my computer. So just for example, I have this image. I will just select this image and click on upload. It will automatically upload that image in this select media option. And or you can just select image from the browser as well. For example, click on Ronaldo. It is searching, so it's not accurate. Don't depend on this thing. It's not accurate. Just let me, so this is not accurate. So you can, for example, clothes. Let's search about clothes. Here you can add images by searching, but I will prefer that you should add images direct from your computer. You can resize height from your this customize option, and you can see here you just play with this. You can increase decrease quality as well, and alignment left right center right. Padding, you can give padding as well. You can give animation as well on scroll. So this is like, this works great. This is very this thing gives you more freedom to add anything what you want. So you can images, and you can add people, you can add text, you can add contact and forms. So you can customize this from this customization option. And if you want to add videos, for example, I want to add videos, I can just simply add this video. Just click on this video and click on the replace button. Here you have to paste the embedded link. For example, go to YouTube and select what you want. For example, uh, just let's select this Tom and Jerry thing. Click on the uh, three dots, click on shares, click on embedded, and copy the source code. And just copy the source code, not everything. You don't need to copy everything, just copy the source code. And it copied and just pasted here. Because I have given the double inverted comma, it giving me error. So this is how you can see. If you want to give the loop, you can give. If you want to play video automatically, just click on the automatic autoplay, hide a full screen, hide a player control. So whatever you want, you can just add here with the help of this. So this is the website. Now let's go to, this is a home page. Let's go to the shop. Now here you can add the products. Just click on this. This is an icon which is created by themselves. Now if you want to create or add a product, like for example, if you want add more products, you can just click on that, or you can just click on edit. For example, I want this image has to be changed. For main image, click on that. Let's hoodie. I want to sell hoodie, so click this hoodie option. You just go up here, give the name hoodie world's oh, world's best hoodie. You can give detailed description, whatever you want to go. Make sure you optimize these things before selling. You can set price, you can add whatever you want, add to cart or buy. You can give social media link as well. For example, if you want to add a rating section, here you can add a rating as well. uh, can you see this blue or whatever the color is? You can add these things just only into that. For example, if you want to add this here, you can just add here. So this is the rating option. So this is how you can edit your product details. uh, for example, like if this I like, I just click on the save. It will save the my product. For example, whatever I want to edit here, for example, this is not my logo. I want to add a logo. Just click on edit and double click on the logo, uh, the brand, search brand if the logo comes, or you can just select whatever you want. No, this is how you can see here. This image has saved as a logo of my website. You can create a logo and put it there. So whatever you want to change on this website, this is a very crucial part. If you click on this optimize SEO, so here you can add title to this logo, and you have to add a detailed subscription description, and add more keywords what as you can related to the title, related to the products, related to the website. So it will optimize this whole page or this whole logo. So this is what you can do with this. This is how you can create these things. You can manage your e-commerce from here, like orders, products, price list, e-commerce categories, combo choices, product tags, whatever, reporting, analytics. If you go to analytics, you can see the whole analytics of your website. Or go back to the website. So this is the website you have created. So go to again website, and right now it is pending activation. Right now this is activation is pending. So if you understand how you can edit on this website, just go to edit and you can edit whatever you want on this website. You can as well edit the pricing, and whatever you don't like, you just edit. So after customization, after doing all of those things which is necessary to e-commerce website, you have to have a domain name. What is domain name? Domain name is a unique name for the your website, which you have to have. It's very needed. For that you have to go, if you have already which you have bought earlier, you can just connect, or you can buy the new domain name. So for that you have to go to configuration, click on domain name, and from here you can just first of all you have to confirmation your email. So it will send a email to the my uh, email address. First of all, let me confirm my email. So I confirm my email address. Go to editor, back to editor. From here you go back to the domain name. So After confirmation the email, it will appear like this. So my website is ready, so just click on that. From here I have already created two websites, which is one, and this was this for e-commerce. If you have already your domain, just click on that. If you want to buy new domain name, just click on this get a new domain. For this, just type the name of your website, shopping.com. So from here it will search the domain. Yeah, this is all the domains are available right now. Just click on the whatever you like. This is good. Now from here you have to register your domain name, and after registration complete, you can just have a domain name. So you have bought the domain, and you can add apps as well. As for example, if you want to add a app related to invoice, just click on invoice, and you can add the invoice app into your website. So this is very easy, and you can add whatever you want into your website for 14 days for free. After that you have to pay to Odoo. So this is the apps. Like if you want sales related apps, you can go to sales category. If you want accounting related apps, you can just go there. If you want if you want customization, you can just install Studio. If you want apps related to productivity, you can just click on these things, and you can add these products apps, sorry. So this is how you can create a basic e-commerce websites on Odoo. So if you find this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.